What's up, my loves? As you can see by the title, we'll be doing a silk press today. These are all the products that I use in my silk press. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for future videos. If you're new, welcome sis. If you're not, hey girl, hey, welcome back. So today we're going to go ahead and get into this video. Disclaimer, this is how I do my silk press. No, I am not a professional. This is how I do my silk press. You may do your silk press differently. That is fine, sis. Don't come for me, okay? This is how I do mine, okay? Now let's get on into this video. I am parting my hair into 4 sections, and I'm going to put up 3 sections and I'm going to keep down 1 section. And I always start in the back because it's convenient for me. So once I get everything sectioned, I go in with my bio silk and I put that all over my hair and I start to flat iron, okay? So just stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so don't forget, when you're doing your silk press, you always get them naps, baby. Them BDB naps, Cocoa Puffs, or whatever you call them. Just in case you might want to put it up in a bun. Your back of your neck and around your edges and all that will still look smooth, just like the rest of your hair, okay? So once I have everything parted and I go ahead and start, I do use the chase method. And this is also to ensure that my hair is bone straight like I like it. And you can go straight down for a straight finish, or you can just put like a nice little curve in it. And I do a nice little curve in mine just a little bit because it helps me better when I wrap my hair. And I like for my silk press to hug around my face just a little bit, okay? And to ensure that your hair is straight like you like it, I take my finger and I place it right there just to feel if my roots are still kind of lumpy, and I part it off and I just go right over that part with the flat irons again for it to be flat. Okay, my love. And if you part too much, just take it and divide it into 2 pieces. And you just take one part and go ahead and flat iron it. And then you go back to the other part to flat iron it. I am natural, so I like for my silk press to be bone straight like I have a perm. I do not have a perm. I am natural. So this is what I do to get my hair straight, just like I have a perm. Okay, and right here, I like for my ends to be straight as well. Sometimes when you're going kind of fast, it may not take the ends like you like it. I know sometimes I go fast and I don't get my ends like I like it. So I always comb my hair and then I go right over the ends. And I slow down just a little bit in order for it to go ahead and take, and it makes all the difference because you don't want to have all of your hair straight. Everything looks good, and then when you get to the end of your hair, your ends are looking frizzy like you haven't even flat ironed them. So be mindful of that as well. So by me going over the ends, you see the difference now. So just slow down, honey. Don't be like me having to go over 2 or 3 times. And I also did put on a heat protectant, but I put that on when I blow dry my hair anyway. So I did not show that in the video. But also use a good heat protectant on your hair, especially if you're going to use heat to blow dry, heat to flat iron, or heat to curl it. Always use a heat protective, okay? So now that I'm done with that part, this is the finished result of that one section. It's bouncy, it's soft, it has a little shine to it. My ends are the way I like it. And it's on to the next section. And I complete one side of my head, then I go to the other side of my head. I don't know why, I just do. I just feel like I can kind of see how it's going to come out on one side of my head, and I can fix it on that one side before I get to the other side. And I hope that makes sense. All right, y'all. Right here, y'all can see me fussing right now. Because my little one, baby, she likes to do what she wants to do, honey. She thinks she run this house. But right here up top in the front right here, if you want to add like a deeper bend, I can say, to your hair, it'll make your front of your hair look kind of like you have a little layer in it a little bit. It'll bring it kind of like a swoop effect, if that makes sense. And normally I do that, but sometimes I just like to make it straight because I want my silk press to hug around my face like I have in weave, but I don't. So that's just a tip. If you have layers in the front or you want your hair to look fuller around your edges, just take those flat irons and just do a slight bend where you're going down right there on the side of your temples, and it will give your hair a nice little flow. It look thick and it look pretty, and baby, you can slang that hair from left to right and feel it and wear it, baby, okay? Okay, my love. So right here, I'm just kind of like combing it to see, if I got all the hair. And as you can see, it's all together. And I do a little lint check, a little bounce, a little swing, just to make sure it has the body that I want it to have. And it's not stiff. And like I said, if you part too much of hair, just split it in sections and keep going. Flat iron it and keep going. So as you can see, it's full. It has a nice bounce to it. It's thick. It's pretty. I did go ahead and do the back part off camera on that side because, honey, I started getting tired. My arms started hurt. But so that side is full as well. And as you can see, like, the roots are laying. It's not real flat. I can go in with a hot comb. If you have a hot comb, you can go in with a hot comb and just flatten it out as flat as you like it. I do still like just a little hump in mine because I have a big head and I do not like my hair to lay extremely flat on my head. It makes my head look even bigger. So I'm just going to keep repeating the same steps here that I did all over my head. And make sure that when you're flat ironing, you do get your edges. Don't burn yourself, because I burn myself all the time. I'm a little used to it now, but you do want your edges to lay flat and be straight as well, because it also helps the hair on top to lay down when it's flowing. It won't look so humpy because you didn't get those edges. Remember what I said at the beginning of the video? You got to make sure your edges and your naps back there are all straight and sleek. And as you can see, it's straight. It has the same bounce all over, has the shine as well. My edges are straight. They are thick, so they don't look as straight on camera, but they actually are straight. So you all just keep on watching this video, and I hope you guys are enjoying so far. Okay, so I am just about done. I did finish it off camera, and this is my finished look, and I love it. I'm in love. Yes, hunty. See that? Y'all see that? Girl. This is how I do my silk press, y'all. Like I said, I am not a professional, but this is how I do my silk press. It's flowy, it's straight. It has the nice little shine to it. It's not heavy at all. And that was actually my first time using Bio Silk, and I will be using it for now on my silk press. Okay, so as always, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and hope to see y'all back in the next video. Bye, my loves.